In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your internet seems to be disconnecting frequently and often on your computer. So this should work for all newer versions of the Windows operating system. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. You want to open up the Control Panel here, and then left click on where it says Network and Internet. And also, if your view does not look like this, you want to go change it to the category view up here. If it's set to large or small icons, you want to change it to category. And then again, select Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. And now on the left side, there should be something that says Change Adapter Settings. You want to left click on that. And now if you have multiple network connections available, so maybe you have different neighbors that are nearby or other network areas, you want to select whichever one is your network connection that you're connected to. One quick way to do it is if you have a Wi-Fi icon on the bottom of your screen, if you left click on it, it should tell you what the network is that it's connected to. So we can see network 4, they both match up. And if you don't have the icon down here, you might have to click on this little upward facing arrow and it should be listed in here. Again, you just left click on it one time. And once you've identified your local area connection, you want to right click on it and then left click on the properties option at the bottom of the context menu. Now you want to select configure right here. Now left click on the power management tab, and if there's an option that says allow this computer to turn off the device to save power, uncheck it and then click on OK. At this point, I'd recommend restarting your computer, and that's pretty much it, guys. So pretty straightforward. I do hope this tutorial helped you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.